So what is indirect file method?
Yesterday we already discussed, no, about indirect file method.
File method. Just we are going to recap what it is.
Okay.
Can you tell me what is indirect file method?
Okay. If we have any multiple source files with the same structure, at that time we can use the indirect file method. If we have hundreds of files like that, at that time we can use indirect file method.
So alternative for this indirect file method is a union. But why we are not
Yes.
using that union here?
If you have only few sources, we can use union. But we have lots of files. At that time, we have to use a indirect file method only.
If you have lot of files, what is the problem? Today you did
then
one
it
map.
will be difficult.
Yeah, today you did one map, right?
Yes.
UK files, US files, Japan files, other files. Okay. If you are using union means you need to import all the files by using import file option, and also you need to change the data types for each and every file, every source file. You need to change the data types. So for 4 files, it's okay. If you have 100 files, 100 source files, so it's so difficult to change the data types for each and every file, right?
Okay.
So that's why we are going to the indirect file method.
Okay.
So I did the mapping for that location underscore PGP. So I import that file, one of the file, either it is a Japan or UK or US, whatever it is. I'm importing one file and I'm giving its name. Okay. FF underscore LOC. Already you did this one. Okay. So these connections and everything you know. So what is the things we have to change here in the session? So here, what are all the things we have to change? For this. Am I able to use? Hello? Hello, am I able to or not?
Shiva, audible.
Okay. I'm asking about this one. What are the things we changed here?
We have to change source file type to indirect.
Yeah, source file type as an indirect, and also we have to give the source file name, the path. Okay. So just I'm running this one. So see here, what are the source file rows? How many source file rows are there?
23, right? But
What?
here 4 are rejected.
Yeah, 4 are rejected. Why?
Any data types wrong or?
But it's not showing any error. It's showing succeed. This is very, very important. If we have faced this type of errors means rejection errors means, so we need to handle those errors. So this is very important. Okay. So for that,
Okay.
go to session lab and see if there any error is there. If we see like this means no error will come. Okay. For that purpose, you just click E symbol in your keyboard. I'm clicking E. So directly it's showing the error. This one. Okay. Here, what is the error? Row of field postal code invalid number. It is showing error clearly. So this is the one of the method to find the error. Even if it is a success, if the rows are rejected, we can follow this one. By clicking E in the keyboard, you can get the error. So again, I'm clicking the E. So it is showing another error, row 3. So again, I'm clicking row 4. Again, I'm clicking row 10. Again, I'm clicking row 13. How many rows are rejected? 18 records are came.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4.
Yeah. Yeah. Totally, I need to get 23, but I'm getting only 18. So because of some error. But it's showing successful. Now what I'm going to do means, I don't want to see like this. What you want? Yeah, I will see. So here I'm getting 18 records. 4 rows are 18 rows. In that 4 rows are rejected. So what I'm going to do here, the mapping is, the flow is successful. But I'm getting 4 rows are rejected. I don't want like that. So I don't want this rejection row. I want to success everything. For that, I'm going to the get session log and I'm increasing the things and I'm pressing the E symbol into the keyboard. So I'm getting this error. Again, I'm pressing the E symbol. I'm getting this error second time for row 3. Row 4, I'm getting this error. Row 10, I'm getting this error. Row 13, I'm getting this error. So this is my problem. Even if it is a success, but it's rejecting the rows. Is it clear? Whatever, is it clear?
What, Shiva?
I'm asking to Swati garu.
Clear, Shiva.
Okay. So this is one of the way to see the error. Even if it is a successful, we can see like this. These rejected. One more method is there. So this is very, very important one. Go to this one here, double click and go to config object. Okay, in this scroll down. Here error handling is there. Here stop on errors is there. You just replace this 0 with a 1. Okay, just click it. Just Control S. And I'm running the workflow again. See, there is an error. So that's why it is showing failure message. Okay. So if we do like this means we can easily get the error where it is. Okay. So it's showing the error here. This is the error. Or else you can go to the session log and you can get the error. So this is the 2 types of ways to see the errors, even if it is rejecting and even if it is successful. Okay, is it clear to you both?
Clear, Shiva.
Yes. Now, what I want to do, based on this error, I need to change what I want to change, invalid number is there, postal code. So here, postal code, invalid number is there. So I'm going to the mapping. See here, postal code. This is a number. Actually, in my files, some of the postal codes are in numbers. Some of the postal codes are mixing with the characters. So that mixing with the characters means that rows are rejecting here. So that's why I want to take the string, not a number. Okay, I'm going to here. There is postal code here. I'm changing this one, postal code number to string. Okay, applying and control S. Okay. Yes. So it is changed. Okay, now I'm validating this one. Okay, but it is showing invalid. You can see that message. If I try to validate this one, it is showing invalid. So most of the people will get like this. This message will get. So some of the message. What is the meaning of this message means? So you can read it, everything. So what is the meaning of this message is you changed the postal code data type here, but not here in source call file. So this is your postal code. So in this postal code, you are not changing here. So that's why it is showing. What we need to do is we need to double click and in postal code, just change that one as a string. String. Okay.
But Shiva, if we have number in the other files also, then how to change in other files also? How can we know? We have to check the other 3 files also, right?
No need.
No
That
need.
is the concept of indirect file method. You no need to check any another file. First you take one file, you change all the things, all the data types according to the this file. So that's all.
It will change automatically. Other files
Yes,
also.
yes.
Okay. After loading to the target, it will change automatically.
Now you see it's a valid one.
Hmm.
Okay. So now I'm going to the workflow. I'm refreshing. Okay. So then I'm running the workflow. How many rows are there? 23. No rejection.
Okay.
So this is very, very important. Actually, no one will tell these things in detail. I seen 2 to 3 videos and I verified something. I think Likta joined, right? Hello, Likta.
Yeah, hello.
You missed one concept, very big concept.
What is that concept?
What you are facing that row rejection, right?
Yeah, I have got those. I have clarified.
Okay. Then no problem.
The main thing is I have those. I didn't change those. You know,
Actually,
I have again crossed done everything now from tables, target tables.
yeah. I will tell in 2 minutes
Yeah.
what I did here. So in my source, 23 records are there. 23 records, flat file. So I want to load into the target, but it's taking only 18. 4 are rejection. 4 records are rejection. So, but the flow is successful. So how can we know where is the error means? Just go to the session log and click on E. So now it's not showing. Actually, if you click the E button in the keyboard, it will show the error. Okay. So that is one of the way. And another way is go to here, double click and config object and go to error handling, stop on errors. So instead of 0, I'm taking 1. So previously it is a 0, I took 1. So if you take like this means, if any row rejected means, it will show error message. So that is the concept. Understood? Hello?
Shiva understood.
Okay. I'm asking about link. No problem. Then we'll go to the next one.
Yeah, you have changed it to 1. Yeah, I'm seeing.
Yeah. Next, we'll go to the parameters. Yesterday, I did this mapping, right? I took some values like this is my values 101, 102, 103, and 106 up to 106. I took 2 columns, ID and name. And what I did means I just connect to the target. Okay. So here I'm creating one parameter value. So I went to mapping. Where parameter and variables is there. So I created this one, para ID. So type is parameter, not a variable. So previously for incremental load, you might take in like what it is, variable. So but for parameter, you should take the type parameter. No need to override anything here. Just leave it and click. So now what we are going to do means, so here I'm going to source files for info shared. Into the info share, BW param. So is there. Just click on that. And I created one file, text file. So if I double click on this text file, it will show the location. So this is batch 15 morning. So next, this is my workflow name. So this is my session name. Likewise, you need to give. So here, I'm taking that parameter ID. Whatever the parameter name I created there, I'm taking this same thing here. I'm giving that value as 102. Okay. So I'm saving this one in this location. Okay. I'm going to here. So here I did one thing.
No need to.
Here I did one thing. Here source qualifier. Going to source qualifier properties and click on this. Generate SQL where parameter.id greater than $$ para ID. So what is the value here? $$
102.
102. So finally I will get the result. The parameter ID greater than 102. Okay. So this is my source. Greater than 102 means 103, Sai 104, Varun 105, John 106, Kumar. So this is the result finally I will get. Okay. So for that, I return the SQL query here in the source qualifier. Okay. So now I'm going for the workflow designer. So here, I'm going to the properties. This properties, the session log file name is, sorry, this parameter file name. So what is my parameter file name? I need to take the path. So this is the path I need to take, copy, and then paste it here, slash, what is the name? HD, right? Okay. And we'll check the mapping. So here, you need to take the source file name as I did one
This is
mistake here.
another.
Yeah. Where is that parameter? Yeah. So here, I given the path, and here, I'm taking everything normally. Okay. I'm saving and running the flow. This one. That is succeeded. 4 rows. So what are the 4 rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. If I go and check into the target niche, it will display 4. Is it clear? What is Swati garu?
Clear, Shiva.
So here, actually, we have 2 different types of parameter variables, local and global. So this is local. Why we are saying this is local means we are given the specific folder, specific workflow, specific what it is session. So it will applicable to uh, that task only. So instead of this, if I'm giving the global, just I'm giving the global means, so we can use this parameter value in any session, any folder, any workflow. Okay.
How can we use in any session, Shiva? It
Any
is a
session.
para ID 1 or 2. But in the other session, it can be para other name also, right?
Yeah, by using global, it will come like that. So tomorrow I will see by using global. 1 second. Okay. So this is parameter. So parameter means it's a fixed one. Until you change the value, it won't change. It's a fixed one. Okay. So we discussed about indirect file location in the parameters and error handling, sorry, rejection handling.
Shiva,
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Here you said when we give
Hello, tell me.
when we give global, we can use it anywhere. You said it now.
Yes.
But there we are giving workflow name and session name, isn't it?
Yeah. For that, if you are giving
Local.
workflow name, session name means it's a local. If you are giving global means we can use
Okay.
that value anywhere.
And that means we there if we mention global, we won't give workflow name and session name.
Okay. No, we don't give anything. Just we need to give global. That's all.
Okay.
So
You show me once that syntax, global syntax.
global syntax. Global, just global. That's all. That's all.
Oh, okay, Shiva. Now it is clear.
Yeah. Okay. Now we'll go to Informatica interview questions or interview questions, not information. Interview questions. So actually, if you are going for interview, so mainly they will check the knowledge about the SQL concepts. Okay. So and also they will check the knowledge about the data warehouse concepts. So data warehouse and data modeling also. Okay. So next, Informatica questions. And next, Unix comments. Okay. Next, business intelligence. Business intelligence. So business intelligence means like reporting tools. And last one is Agile methodology.
Agile methodology also.
Yeah, they will ask the flow. Okay. So now let's start with the SQL concepts. Okay. So about the SQL concepts. So mainly in the SQL concepts, what they will ask. So DDL and DML comments. What is DDL? What is DML? If you know the answer, you say, what is DDL?
Data dimensional language.
No.
Data definition.
Yes. Data definition.
Okay.
You remember the definition. Definition means the structure. Okay. So it is a data definition language. And DML.
Manipulation.
Data manipulation language.
Yes. Data manipulation language. And what is TCL?
Transaction control.
The transaction control language. Okay. What is DQL?
Query.
Data query language.
Okay.
Data query language. What is DCL?
Data control language.
Yes. Exactly. So what are the things commands which comes under DDL?
Create,
Alter, drop,
Create, alter, drop. Next. Rename
delete, rename.
rename.
and take. Okay. These are all the DDL commands. So what are the DML commands?
Insert, update,
Insert,
Delete.
update,
delete,
delete. Okay. So what are the TCL commands?
commit,
Okay.
rollback, grant,
No.
grant.
Grant comes under DCL. Grant and
Okay.
grant and reverse. Okay. What is DQL? DQL command. Select.
Okay, select.
Okay. So likewise, they will ask. What they will ask means, what is the difference between truncate and delete? What is the difference between truncate and delete? So you should start with the thing like this. So truncate is a DDL command, delete is a DML command. So if you use the truncate for the table, so total records are going to delete. The structure of the table is there. And if you use the delete, so the total structure of the table will be there. Sorry, the records are deleted, structure will be there.
In truncate also structure will be there, I guess.
Structure, yeah, structure will be there, records are deleted. Here, structure will be there, records are deleted. But why? Why we are not using this one instead of this?
Because
So-
of the commit, I guess.
No.
Truncate
See-
is auto delete.
Mhm.
Auto commit.
Auto commit.
Auto commit, but for delete we have to give commit, right?
Yeah, that is one of the reasons. So another reason is, so if you want to use the where condition, you should use the delete only. You can't use the truncate.
Okay.
So by using where condition, what is it? By using this truncate, can we use where condition? No.
No.
So if you want to use where condition, you should use the delete only. So these are all the differences. And if
Drop,
you,
drop means
yeah, drop means entire structure will drop. Entire structure, total structure will drop. Nothing. There is no structure.
okay.
There is
Here
no-
only records will be dropped. Structure will remain same.
Yes.
There, structure and records all are dropped. All are removed, deleted.
Permanently. So they will
That's
ask
why you
like,
have to take a backup for the table in the
Why- why-
real time.
how to take backup? How to take backup?
Select some table name as another table name.
Yeah. So like that we can do. So here they will ask the answer question is what is the difference between truncate and delete? And what is the difference between truncate and drop? Okay. So next,
Okay.
what is commit and what is rollback?
If we want to save the DML comments, we can give commit. Rollback means if we delete any record, we can roll it back.
opposite to commit is rollback, and another one also will be their save point.
Okay, for example, I have first record and second record, third record. So here it is, I deleted these 3 and 2. So when I give the rollback, so it will give the result or not? 2, 3.
Yes, it will use.
Yeah.
If we don't give commit,
Next,
uh,
I want to use the commit here. I want to use the commit. Next, 4, 5. Okay. So next, I deleted this one. So if I give the rollback, so what is the result?
4, 5.
4, 5. Yeah. This is clarity. Okay, like this, they will ask the SQL concepts. So one thing is, they will definitely ask the question, what database you are using? What is the source you are using? Source database. And what is the target database you are using? So we have to say Oracle only, right? Because we are dealing with the Oracle. So there are so many number of databases are there. So if you say that names means, we'll get trouble. Okay, my source database is Oracle and my target database is Oracle. And they will ask what version you are using. I'm using Oracle 11G. So likewise, we need to tell
What?
what version you are using.
11G Express Edition.
Yeah. So that we have to tell. So that is about the SQL concept. But daily will what it is, sharp these concepts. What is that? Next, they will ask the data warehouse and data modeling questions. So what is data warehouse? I think meeting is going to end within 1 minute. Can you read that again?
Hello.